Welcome back! Today, we will be sharing 3 free Canva apps you never knew existed. These will save you time and take your designs to the next level. Let's dive right in. First up is Canva's Image Blender. This app lets you combine 2 images seamlessly. Perfect for overlays or creating dreamy visuals. Here's an example of how you can combine 2 photos. Start by selecting the 2 images that we want to blend. Click on Apps. Key in Image Blender. Click on one of the image. Click on Blend Selected Image. There are 2 blend type, linear and radial. Today we will do linear blend. Follow the screen as shown. Adjust the blending direction. Play around the value of strength. Click on Save. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the Download button and save as PNG file. Next is the Text Art Maker, your go-to app for creating visually striking text effects in just a few clicks. You are able to use any image from Canva or upload your own image to create text. Let's explore the magic of this app with an example that's sure to make you hungry. For this, we used a cookie image to fill the text. The cookie texture inside the letters really makes the word pop. First, select the cookie. Click on Apps, key in Text Art Maker. Under Text, key in Cookie. Click on Use Selected Image. Click on Density to adjust the density of element. Max and min size is to adjust the size of element. Play around with these 2 values to get the result you want. Click on Add to Design. Lastly, we paste it onto the pink background that we have prepared. Save as PNG file. Doesn't it look amazing? And the best part? It's so easy to do. What image would you use to fill your text? Share your ideas in the comments. Last but not least, we have the font frame. It enables you to add an image background to your text. We can upload an image or select any image from Canva. For this example, we used a beach image to create a relaxing, summery vibe right inside the text. First, we will select our beach image background. Click on Apps, key in Font Frame. Next, for the text, key in Beach. Select the font. Click on Use Selected Image for image from Canva, or click on Choose File for your own image. Click on Border to adjust the border of the text. You can also adjust letter spacing to get the desired result that you want. Click Add to Design button. Lastly, select the background image. Now it's your turn. Head over to Canva, try these free apps, and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite feature. Let's keep inspiring each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a Canva tip.